Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect the Extasana properly to the concrete slab. To maintain a consistent weather-resistive barrier layer, it's very important that this connection is durable and strong. One product you will use is the ORCON Classic because it's a permanent flexible liquid applied adhesive. Or you use the pre-cured version, which is the ORCON MULTIBOND. For both connections you're still going to need the TESCON PRIMER RP because you want to be sure that these materials stick properly to the concrete. For concrete and masonry services, like here the concrete slab, preparation is key. Dust and dirt can sit on the concrete and you won't have good bonding with the adhesive. So that's why use the TESCON PRIMER RP to really prime the surface, let it dry. Now you're going to have a durable connection. After you apply the TESCON PRIMER RP, let it dry. It will turn tacky and translucent, and then you know it will be sticky. Next step is use your ORCON Classic and apply a bead 6 to 8 millimeters thickness and try to get a consistent bead of ORCON Classic. Now you can place the Extasana over the ORCON bead. Lay the membrane over the bead, then don't press it flat. Be sure that the bead will be between your two fingers and slowly press the membrane around the bead. The curing time of ORCON Classic can be up to a week. So if you don't have this time, use ORCON MULTIBOND because it's pre-cured and you save a lot of time. The adhesive strip should be consistent to ensure a continuous wind and weathertight layer. If you have a termite barrier now, the same applies. Connect the termite barrier to the concrete slab and the Extasana to the termite barrier, so you have two seals in this case. Well done guys! Now we create a continuous and flexible seal at the base. No winds, water or vermin will get into the structure anymore. Use primer, ORCON Classic and MULTIBOND as your system and Bob's your uncle.